Hey, what's up mga kapugi? Malunggay boy in the house. Hope you have a great day today. And as you can see, I'm here inside a virtual classroom with a cartoon background that is friendly for our kids. And today, I'm going to tour you inside my room how I made my bedroom into a virtual studio or classroom for online learning, especially for my learners in play school and in my learners for PE and martial arts. So come on, let's go and let's have a quick view inside my room. So let's get inside mga kapugi. Alright, so here's my room. As you can see, here's my national and international certificate in Taekwondo, and also my collections of blades and nunchucks, my fishing gears, gym equipments, gloves, pads, and some belts for my learners, my Jeja and Karateka. Here's the paddle, my personal paddle for Dragon Boat as a member of Bomba Pilipinas. Ayan. And I have an extra table here every time I have a class. So I made a quick hanging clothes for this. Here's my uniform or my dobok in Taekwondo, my karate do gi and gi for judo. Also my coat and tie for some meetings. Ayan. So dito lahat ng gamit ko. I have my jump rope here and even some dumbbells. Okay, so that's my room, and this place, here's my collection from Japan. I really love. Extra light. Okay, here's my table. So I have my printer here and a cutter and other abubots. So my bags and other computer parameters like CD burner, hard disk, extra hard disk. Ayan. So some snacks para pag nagkaklase tayo. Some of my headset, ayan, my laptop and my air cooler for my laptop also, but my laptop also has its own fan. Ayan. So I made this wall foam for my windows to make it somehow soundproof. Also here there is a foam wall here that is colored green because I use this as a green screen for my virtual background. Yan. And instead of using a diffuser or oil, I use this very natural citronella leaves that I hang it in my fan. Okay, since I don't use aircon here. Yan. Okay, this is my entire bedroom. Ayan. That I convert it into a virtual studio. Ayan. So my table, under my table is my beddings. Ayan. So that's it. And there you have it mga kapugi. This is my working table that I just installed here with my girlfriend. She helped me to put it here. And this is how I live every day for my class. That's why I convert this room. Due to pandemic, we are not allowed to go outside. We're not allowed to go in the school right now because it's MECQ here in Laguna, so we need to stay in our households. That's the reason why I convert my entire bedroom into a online virtual classroom, and everything that I need inside this room are here if I teach Taekwondo, Arnis, or Karate, it's already there as you can see earlier. And for my play and learn or play dates learners, which are the early childhood education that we teach online. In my table, everything I need is here, even my snacks and my tea. I used to put it here. So that's it. In order to overcome this pandemic situation, to avoid getting infected, especially with the virus, we have to do something for our workplace to be more safe, avoid getting outside our compound here in the garden. So I choose to live here and work here inside my classroom. And that's all for today, mga kapugi. Hope you had fun and enjoy roaming around inside my room. And that is Malunggay Boys Place. Okay? So, see you next time in our next vlog. Lagi niyong tatandaan, sa bawat sipa ng buhay, masarap maglakbay pag may kasamang malunggay.